this bold? It should be that. Fuck. Let's get it. Let's get it. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video, guys, if you are. What's up? Just No Bones is in the building. Shout out Just No Bones. And guys, one hell of a market it has been, right? Now, let's take a brief look and check out what's going on with AMC, man. Incredible TK is in the building. Detroit is in the house. Up north, Kenny. What's going on, Kenny? TK in the building. Yo, let's check out what's going on currently with AMC. What's up, Obi? Please say AMC has bottomed straight down. Yeah, guys, AMC is looking like Young Jock. It's going down. You know what I'm saying? So, checking out everything that is everything here for AMC currently. Let's check it out. PA on the 3-minute chart. TK said he just sold AMC. He dodged a bullet, right, guys? Ha ha ha. Let's pull up a few of these key indicators we like to look at. Where the heck? Okay, there they go. All right, fellas. ADX started to trend down low here on the 3-minute. Let's check out the day chart. Whoa, trend strength is getting a little bit stronger here on this downtrend. Man, will we be breaking that 1150 on tomorrow's trading? It's a great chance we will do so. I sold this morning, going to buy back in. Maybe I'll buy back at $11.50. I think we break it at $11.50 here in AMC. We crushed 12.90. We crushed 12.90, guys. No, we ain't mentioned Mullen yet. We're gonna talk about it here shortly. We started to come on now. The oversold levels here on the day chart though for AMC. We'll go skip to my Lou over here to Mullen. Yo, Blue, what's going on? Damn bargain buys coming up. Yeah, you got that right, especially in the blue chip market. Checking out Mullen though. We're starting to, yeah, we currently oversold here in Mullen right now, but trend level starting to plateau around the dub. I got 100 shares in there. Family. Before I say 50, these prices. True. MICT looking nice. Almost alerted this morning. Let's run over there. But Mullen though, man, guys, Mullen looks as though that 88 cent is in store for Mullen. Following the downtrend of the market, haven't broke the market's grip just yet. I dumped SEAC stop loss, getting back in later. Yeah, stop loss hit on SEAC. We seeing some industrial styles plays starting to move here right now. All right, let's check it out. Yeah, this Obi. Yes, sir. This is me. MICT. Let's check it out, Bones. Ooh, retracement. What time was you checking this out, Bones? Ooh, you right, man. Pre-market, man. A pre-market buy-in would have been love, right? Starting to approach that VWAP slightly. We were close to like 11 cents away from it, but let's check out this volume here. Turnover rate, sweet. It's that stagnant trading we talking about where it's closing at, guys. It's pointing to a shift in price. But in this case, that shift was north side. Check out. Do you think Mullen is over? Huh? Do I think Mullen is over? Nah. I don't think Mullen is over, guys. This is a long-term play. Stocks only don't go up. It is going to be a rough road. But, guys, you got to look into Mullen as holding it for between 6 to 12 months. It's a long-term play. Like I was telling you guys over in the Discord, I do not recommend day trading Mullen. You're going to miss out on opportunities. I mean, it's going to be up and down, of course. Look at the market. Look at the overall sector. It's back and forth. We don't see any type of consistency in the EV market as a whole, so why panic on Mullen, right? And Washington's pump Vroom stock. Did they pump the Vroom stock? It's hard to say. Let's check out the. That is nuts. I got you. It's over. I'm gonna take my stop loss. Thank you. He said, I got you. It's over. No, I don't think it's over though, man. It ain't a day trading type of play. The overall EV market is taking a slide back. What's up, Davis? This Davis. What's going on, guys? If you haven't smashed that like button already, can you please do so? It really does help the channel grow, guys. Now, Vroom, what's going on here? As you can see here, a huge volume surge. Definitely it was oversold yesterday. Drastically oversold yesterday. RSI was hitting at 23 yesterday. Heavily oversold. Trend strength on that downtrend was quite heavy, though. It looks like the MACD is starting to plateau as well. Signal still is in the rear, though. Let me see here. Slow money better than no money. Blue, that's correct. Losing money, right? Hey, yeah, well, WTER taking a huge dive back currently, guys. Huge slide back. I'm going to take a brief look at that as well, all right? So, let's take a look at WTER. Now, as you can see here, guys, WTER, huge drop these last 3 days of trading. Dropped under 50 cents with that offering that 50 cent. Actually sliding under it on today's trading. Expect to see this stock. You'll see those levels around 38 cents. Between 38 and 36 cents. I do believe that that is going to be the bottom floor for WTER before we see the reversal that we're looking for here. Looking here at the day chart, we're currently heavily oversold. RSI pointing at 16, guys. I do believe that this RSI going to dip around 12 before we see a reversal. As you can see here, ADX is starting to get a little bit stronger here on this downtrend, which is pointing also to this stock is going to be headed towards those 30 cent levels. MACD, pretty far apart. Signal, currently negative. What about CRXT? I got you, Davis. I got you. But what I was saying, yeah, that's MACD is spread apart on the negative signal. It looks like it's gonna cross way negative, guys. WTER, great long-term stock if you ask me. They're in the beverage sector, of course, but not only that, guys, they do deal with CBD products as well, like lotions and other things like that. So, if you're not familiar with WTER, guys, you may want to do some DD on this. This company tends to make the right corporate actions. Was that offering the right corporate action for us long-term investors? Yes, it was, if you ask me. Looking here at CRXT, though. 4-hour here on CRXT. Whoop-de-whoop. PRPO keeps holding that $1.12 support. If hold, could be nice. Check what Bones is saying, guys. Go check the charts. PRPO. We're gonna check that out after CRXT, Bones. Good looking out. Trend strength here on 4-hour chart for CRXT is quite low. Turnover rate is where we want it though, but the volume isn't in our favor whatsoever. Not at all. Let's take a brief look and check out the volume here. Volume has been an overall decrease. Looking at Monday's trading, we were close around the same volume as today. Much under. Let's check out the workflow on this thing from the last 5 days. Let's check out to see. Oop. Last 5 days, we have been taking a shellacking over here on large scale orders, actually outperforming the inflow drastically. Not only that, slight selling on the small though, backed by a low turnover rate, just a market trend. CRXT, let me go back to, let's check out the 2-hour. Let's push this back here. The finish is going to be very interesting for CRXT. If CRXT can break above this VWAP, guys, close above the VWAP, it may be a bullish aftermarket. After all, it is going to point for a very great chance for a bullish aftermarket for CRXT. Volume has been stagnant these last 2 days of trading, much under the average volume, which is pointing to a sign that CRXT is actually running out of sellers to match with buyers. We'll see what's going to happen here towards the close here. It's going to be very interesting. Let's take a brief look and check out IMPP, guys. Anytime, Des. ADX is quite long. What we're checking out, 3 minute. I'm just looking at a few things, guys. That's all. IMPP, man, oil slide, man. Chicago just recently hit all-time record high of gas prices. Gas prices is still going up at the pump, but oil sector as a whole, the industry or the stock market isn't doing too well. IMPP is seeing a nice slide back. Take a brief look and check here at the day chart. Here, guys, we did see that little brief pick up in price, but the last 4 days of trading was backed by slow and low volume. Nick and K, we're going to check out SEAC here right after this, which you guys know is our first pick and our 1K to 100K challenge, guys. It has been following the market downtrend as well. We're seeing other stocks pop here and there, but seeing the stock actually perform consistently during this time is hard to find. So we're going to try to find that one here this week. Looking here at IMPP currently, I do believe that this thing is going to see those 62-cent levels. This week, next stock we're going to take a brief look at is SEAC. Shout out to NK dropping us that. TK dropped some knowledge. Crude oil at 99 bucks. I called yesterday looking at INDO, HUSA, and CRXT. All three great picks. INDO did do a smash hit when oil was surging. SEAC though, what is going on? We broke those support levels that we were actually holding for quite some time, around $1, guys. These last 4 days of trading, SEAC did break that support and actually tumbled with the market. Now, SEAC, we do still have that trailer finalization lingering ahead of us. That is some news that won't be scheduled. You will just wake up one morning. This thing is just going to be much, much higher in price out of nowhere. You do want to get your feet planted here before that happens, with the price actually lowering. It's just sweetening the opportunity, if you ask me. Looking here at today's PA, though, we're going to take a brief look at this 3-minute. Drop the news. As you can see here on the 3-minute, we're starting to take a little slight dive here, back by a nice solid push of volume here on this 3-minute interval. I'm starting to approach those oversold levels here on the RSI MACD. We're starting to split here. Our signal currently, I can't see the signal. I gotta slight positive signal right now. Trend strength is getting weak though here on the 3-minute chart. Looks as though that SEAC more than likely will be closing under the VWAP, which is that 86 cent here at the close. Opening here quite high at that 91 cent. We did see slight buying pressure here during the beginning of the trading day. That gave out ultimately. But what is next for SEAC, guys? I do believe that we will be seeing that pour in of volume here pretty soon. As you can see here during this stagnant movement here, it was low in volume, but now volume is even much lower here. Average here is 3.09 million today, coming in close to 1 million so far. I do believe that we will close under 1.2 million in volume here in SEAC, but be looking out for SEAC for the month of May. I do believe that that explosion here for SEAC and that trailer finalization is more than likely going to be finalized and up and running at 100% at the end of May. Before the end of May, guys, so be looking out for SEAC. Let's go back to it. Affirm discount before Thursday's earnings. Affirm, guys, I do believe that Affirm is going to ultimately hit $14 levels, coming in at $16.56 on today's trading. We do have that earnings report on the 12th. Earnings is going to be very important here in Affirm. If we look at their financial forecast, the last 4 reports, they missed their EPS horribly each and every time. If we see that, if that cycle continues to happen here at Affirm, this thing can actually get back down to single digits, guys, under $10 a share. Affirm is a great stock, is a great company if you ask me, but their expectations is set a little bit high by investors as well as themselves, guys. Yeah, Affirm, I do believe ultimately we will be breaking those $16 levels, headed towards those 14s. Now, next stock, I want to take a brief look at gas. Let's take a brief look back at AMC and see how we're closing here. Back under $12 here in AMC. AMC is about to present a great opportunity, guys. It is going to reverse here pretty soon, but you do not want to be buying at these levels just yet because the sign of reversal hasn't shown itself just yet. We did come as low on today's trading as 1150, guys. 1150 on today's trading. I do believe that we're going to break these $11 levels. Like I was telling you guys before, we were headed sub 1290. Once we broke that 1290 yesterday, guys, I was letting you know we're going to be going towards those $11 levels here after earnings, and that's exactly what we received here on today's trading for AMC. But it isn't all bad. We're starting to see the light here in AMC. And what I mean by that is anytime AMC sets another low from that peak, guys, we tend to see movement like this. So prepare for another movement to the upside. I just wouldn't call it just yet. You want to get greedy by acquiring the shares at the lowest price possible. So don't jump the gun here just yet, guys. And oh yeah, guys, if you're new to the live stream, don't forget to leave a thumbs up on the video. If you already haven't, it really does help the channel grow. Engagement on the channel does help the channel grow, guys. When you guys leave comments and likes on the video, it does help the channel grow. So anytime you're checking out a video, take the time out to leave a thumbs up and maybe a comment. I do comment back whenever I have a chance. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. This was just a quick and brief live stream. I will be dropping a video here shortly on the Flight Financial channel, so make sure you guys get over there and check that video out. So with that being said, may the gains be with you.